Be quiet this light. Hello? 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 Jeez, why is it doing this stupid cell phone? Not too bad. What? There's a banging noise coming from the furnace room. I wonder what could be making that banging noise.
Hey, this is Darren from Two for a Friend, and you're listening to The Rock Show live from Leeds, 2004.
What the hell are you doing in my living room? What? What the hell are you doing in my room? This is not your living room. Get out of my house! If I had a door, I would slam it! More music? Dancing strippers? Well, this time there's no noise, but you know, you're never too sure to find out, because normally there's no music playing. This time there's no music. Hey. What's wrong with you?
Can't you hear it?
Hear what?
Can't you hear the music?
What music? There is no music.
Ring, 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 banana phone.
I hear it.
Ring, 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 ring.
It's never stops. It never stops.
Excuse me, what are you doing? Get out of my way! Out of the way! Don't give me that! Get out of the way! Stop laughing! Out of the way! God damn it! I'm riding my bike! Get up! More noises? When will this ever stop? Free children. Adopt a kid today. Pathetic. Adopt us!
What the?
What are you doing?
Adopt us! Adopt me. I'm better than her.
I'm better. Hey! Ah! None of you are better. Hey! No! Hey! Ah! Boxley! Oh. Sounds like more boxes.
Hurry, hurry, hurry! Hey, what are you doing here? $5, please. Hurry, hurry, and see the magnificent Yato, mister.
Yatta!
He's flexible, and get back in the box. Ha! Hi-ya!
Oh my god.
Ha! 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 Ha!
Are you a new student at the dojo? I guess I am.
Are you authorized to be in the dojo?
Well, if I'm here, then I guess I am.
Oh, well, welcome,
I'm
student.
home!
Hi, Q-Ball.
Cubal?
Q-Ball. How are you?
What the hell is that?
New student to the dojo, I think.
Haven't I ever seen you before?
Have I seen you before? You guys know each other?
I don't know.
You're the one who rode your...
You're the one who's in my way! In my way, I mean! What's he doing? Get out of my way! Out of my way! Get out of my way! God damn it.
Oh, what's this? Free children. I brought the kid today. My ass.
I'm doing this!
What the?
I dropped us.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey, what's up, everybody?
Don't do it, man.
Do what?
Don't do it.
No, I'm tired.
Go back to where you came from.
This is where I came from.
No.
Get out of the bed.
You go crawl back into your mama's ass. That's where you came from.
What are you doing in the dojo?
Not in the dojo.
Are you authorized to be in the dojo?
I don't know. I'm
What the? Who are you? What are you doing in the dojo?
I'm
What are you doing? What are you doing in the dojo?
once again, this is not the dojo.
Are you authorized to be here?
I don't know. Am I?
Did the master let you into the dojo?
Good morning. I'm home.
What the hell? What?
Are you authorized to be in the dojo?
I'm home.
Hi, brother.